Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So when divine asked me to fulfill my commitment, then only this question came in my mind, that will this twin flame go through spiritual awakening? Divine said to go through a spiritual awakening, a person who has good karma, good intentions, who is not, destroying other people, who is not selfish, these people go through spiritual awakening. The purest one, whose intentions are good and they are always, ready to help others even when they are in pain. Such kind of people go through spiritual awakening. Not a person who has, loose character and plays mind games, plays with others, emotions and feelings, and always uses, relationships just for their own benefit. Such kind of person do not go through spiritual awakening. And that this person, so divine was talking about this, twin flame, that he doesn't have either of characteristics, so he is completely opposite what is required to go through a spiritual awakening. So what made you think that such kind of a person can go through spiritual awakening? As you know that after spiritual awakening there will be a lot of things which will be shared in terms of in form of spiritual guidance and sacred wisdom. When it is being shared with wrong people, they always misuse it. So what was the thought, that you thought that this person will go through spiritual awakening? So I got my answer that, people who have good character, good, intention towards others, who do not play with others' feelings and emotions, who respect, other relationships, those only go through spiritual awakening. Not a shittiest, narcissistic, toxic manipulator, mind gamer type of a person goes through spiritual awakening. I asked this question clearly because, on other channels I was listening that, a divine feminine makes some sort of, efforts to go through this person, to make this person spiritually awaken. So now this thing was clear that a person cannot, do another person's spiritual awakening, even though when you are a twin flame, when you are a, divine feminine also. So spiritual awakening is only done by divine, not by humans. So that divine timing and spiritual awakening both are at divine's hand, not in the hand of humans. So as I kept on listening other channels that a DF does this kind of work, that kind of work, so that this twin flame gets awakened. This is what I was hearing actually. So a lot of people have a mindset that other person or one counterpart can make other person awaken. No, this is not the reality. So I hope the guidance is clear. It was my question which I asked directly to divine, because there was a lot of confusion which I could hear on other channels, that this person, a person, whosoever it is, this twin flame or maybe some other person who has loose character, who plays mind games, who is selfish, and also uses other people for their benefits, just to have fun and for their selfish reasons. And by doing all these things, a person is creating bad karma, and person who has bad karma can never go through spiritual awakening. So it never happens like that. Now the question was clear. So as this twin flame, eats a lot of non-veg, alcoholic, and also stays in multiple relationships, plays mind games, with a lot of people, and specifically, who are kind and innocent. So that was a reason. But now there is one scenario which you will have to understand. There are people who eats non-veg and, are also into alcohol, but they do not have, bad intentions for others. They have a good character. So such kind of people do go through through spiritual awakening. But people who has loose character, they don't go through spiritual awakening. Do not even think like that, because there are a lot of things happen. So if there is somebody who eats non-veg and also drinks alcohol, but having a good character, do not play with others' emotions and feelings, so in that case what will happen? When this person will go through spiritual awakening, automatically she will be able to stop eating non-veg and alcohol, because there will be a lot of activations are being done when a person goes through spiritual awakening, because of which they go through a lot of of physical pain. Of course there will be a lot of downloads which will be given in the form of spiritual guidance, but then it really creates a lot of pain in the body. So as I was also going through, wherein I was not eating non-veg or alcohol, but then yes, because of spiritual awakening, a person goes through a lot of physical pain, like vomiting, headache, and restlessness, lot of many other things happens because of spiritual awakening. So I asked this, question to Divine because I had two, three, several things to take care of. One, I did not want to give any sort of, option to Divine, wherein because of which, I will have to step back. So I was like, what if I start doing my inner work and I'm able to remove this person from my thoughts and also these feelings for him, and then all of a sudden this person goes through spiritual awakening, wherein I knew this will not happen because it is about a false hope. Also wanted to have clear communication because if you have listened my previous videos wherein I went through a divine test in which I had similar kind of feelings for another person like twin flame. So that time divine said you did not clear this to us, so take your words back. When I dictated my that terms and conditions related to my marriage, you can hear that video. So that was the reason that I will not give any option to divine, that in future divine can say that you could have thought this way or that way. So when I went on that 10 years of painful journey, I have experienced a lot of things, and divine was never happy for me going on this painful journey. So divine said you have gone through a lot of pain which you did not require. So initially when I came in communication with divine during my childhood, divine told me this is how humans are. So when I was not ready to accept this acceptance, this is how humans are, when they get to interact with kind, loyal, honest, pure people, they start destroying them on all level. So just to see that thing on what sort of acting these people do, and how do they destroy people, because that was the journey all about that. Yes, there are these kind of people who are just looking for somebody who is emotional, who is pure and honest, so that they can target that and they can misuse and then also destroy that person on all level. So a wrong person never changes. She always keep on pretending that they have changed, and that is part of false hope. So I will be sharing a separate video on false hope, what false hope is actually, and I have already talked about false hope probably in my initial videos when I started making videos on this particular channel. So divine said you are aware about false hope and still this question came in your mind that such kind of a dirty person will go through spiritual awakening. So when after spiritual awakening, a spiritual downloads are being given and in the form of sacred wisdom. So I saw one particular person in my country who is actually an influencer, and somehow he was trying to share one of the sacred wisdom because that person has gone through spiritual awakening, and similar sort of information is being shared with people who goes through spiritual awakening. So I could see that this person has already been through awakening. So the moment he was trying to share that wisdom, he was not able to do it. He was forgetting in between, and that got repeated several times. So what was happening? Somebody either from ancestors or maybe divine or some other spirit guides were trying to stop that person not to share that. See, there are reasons that sacred wisdom is actually shared with several kind of people who have gone through spiritual awakening, and that cannot be shared with everybody, that cannot be shared with anybody, because one thing, it can be misused, and also there are several other reasons which I will share in maybe in upcoming videos. So I hope the message is clear that a person who doesn't have good character, who stays in multiple relationships, mind gamer and narcissistic toxic person can never go through spiritual awakening, even though if that person is into some sort of spiritual connection. So understand there are a lot of things going on the planet wherein people are intentionally trying to keep create mental fogs when it comes about twin flame connection and also about humanity. There were a lot of things which were disclosed to me, and that was another reason that I was heavily attacked by dark entities. So you cannot make other person go through spiritual awakening. It is only in the hand of divine. So make sure that you are clear about it. If you know somebody who you claim to be your twin flame, and if this person has such kind of characteristics, then that person will not go through spiritual awakening. So after my spiritual awakening, when I was heavily given those sacred wisdom, so I had this question: why am I being given this much of knowledge, that too right now? So it had one specific reason which I will be sharing in another video, so that people can have clarity what is the reason behind once somebody goes through spiritual awakening and what is the next step you have to take. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.